Get noticed in this 2006 Cadillac DTS. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.